Welcome, friends. You know, a lot of people down here in Florida are constantly getting rid of things, whether they're moving and don't have space. Some items are old and broken, or they just don't want them anymore. Many times you'll find these no longer wanted items left out on the curb or given away for free. Whenever it is music oriented, I will always try to fix it up and sell it. These two items and a number of other speakers were being given away for free because the person was moving. Please check out my other videos on Trash to Cash and hit like and subscribe. The problem with the bass amplifier was that the nuts had come off the input jacks and the jacks had got pushed inside the amp. I just removed these top screws, pushed the head forward out of the case, and instant access to the input jacks. I pulled these back in place, put washers and nuts on, tightened them up, and there you go. Amp works great. It does look like a kitty cat was using this as a scratching post at one time, but I can easily glue it and push it into place. I think I can sell this for about 70 bucks. Now the next item is this Tapco 6-channel mixer. I plugged it in, turned it on, and this is what I got. All the attenuator knobs on here are so stiff they barely even move from all the years of smoke and buildup inside the pots. So I'm just going to try to remove all the knobs. The nuts, washers, and blast every part with tuner cleaner. This is definitely an ancient unit, but if it can work, maybe I could get 75 bucks out of it. Instead of just throwing the stuff in the landfills, with a little bit of effort it can be working and maybe have a couple more years of musical life. Remove the 6 screws on the bottom. Unplug the reverb unit. I think I can remove these screws so the whole board comes off, and hit these with tuner cleaner right in there. So let's do it. I felt so bad for this little unit. Once I removed the knobs and all the nuts, I just had to clean it up. Next I'm going to remove these screws so I can separate the board from the frame. Let the blasting begin. After blasting this numerous times with contact cleaner, it actually turns. Hey, check this out. I'm actually running this through that bass amp that I just fixed the input jacks on. 1, 2, 2. And looky here, I even have some reverb. 1, 2. Hey! Hey! Help! 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 A little reverb action there. Little cave, way back in a cave. Anyway, you can see we have some signal here. 1, 2. Hey, hey. Cut the reverb. Hey, hey. Anyway, I'm hoping to get maybe 75 bucks out of this. It's an ancient unit, but hey, somebody might be able to use it for their basement. So please hit like and subscribe.